I often sit here and scan about and just earwig on people's conversations, you know, on different frequencies. And I often like to sit here and listen to Morse code. I mean, I don't know what it all means. I learnt a bit when I done my exam, but I can't remember all the dits and da-das, you know. I'm going to print it off soon and try and learn it. Get myself a key so I can do a bit of Morse code. But there's a guy on here. There seems to be having a bit of an argument by the sounds of it with someone. There's people going over him and all kinds of things. Let's see if they know what he's saying. Hopefully he'll come back in a minute. Obviously, here he is. Well, obviously he's speaking to somebody that I can't hear. But anyone know what he's saying? Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. It'll be interesting to find out what he's saying. I think I might even look back on this video and go and look on the internet and look up some Morse and try and work out what he says for a challenge. But there's bound to be some experienced Morse coders or CWers or whatever you call yourselves out there. Just put in the comments what he said. It'll be interesting. There was another guy on here with a different sort of rhythm. I feel by the rhythm, and there's another guy here with a different rhythm. He didn't seem very good. Perhaps he was a beginner. Oh well.